Well, this morning, our focus on health is centered around laser treatments. Join us today from Charlotte Eye, Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates, or better known as Centa, is Dr. Jewel Greywoode. You're an ENT physician who specializes in cosmetic functional facial plastic surgery. I know that's a lot to say,
Yes.
But let's get with the basics, Doc.
Yes.
What does that involve?
Well, laser treatments and light treatments generally involve using light and heat in order to affect the skin. So the changes that happen to our skin as we age, whether it's through the skin sagging, the underlying facial remodeling, or even sunspots, now being in the summer, everyone being outside, the laser and the light therapy can help to address some of those issues.
So what are some of the common methods of skin treatments that are done at home or professionally?
So what I tell a lot of my patients is even in order before you even start to think about laser and light treatment is you always want to make sure you cleanse your skin, get a good cleanser. You want to make sure you tone it. So witch hazel is very common for that. You also want to moisturize, and then most importantly, of course, skin protection. And that goes for everybody. It doesn't matter what skin tone you have. It's very important. And those are some of the home things that you can do. More professionally, yes, we can offer things like prescription medicines to help rejuvenate the skin, as well as chemical peels, and of course the lasers and light treatments.
Okay, so can you explain how laser and light treatment works for skin treatment?
Yes. So laser and light, they're both using heat and energy, but they're very different. So with a laser, you have one specific wavelength of light. So it's a focused energy that targets specific area in the tissue, and most of the time the laser is used to take off layers of tissue. So with the laser treatments, what you're basically doing is you're resurfacing the skin and allowing new skin to grow through. With the light treatments, you're essentially using multiple wavelengths. You pack the skin with light. When you pack the skin with light, it causes changes and remodeling in the skin so that new collagen develops. The one thing we haven't been able to do scientifically is get more elasticity, which means the skin stretching back to where it was. So what the light therapy is able to do is to help stimulate some of that process to give you a more natural result.
Well, Dr. Greywoode, what do you guys offer at Centa?
So at Centa, we have a laser and light therapy system that offers both light and laser therapy. From a light therapy perspective, we can treat everything from sunspots and rosacea, facial vessels, acne, and even hair removal, unwanted hair in certain parts of the face. As far as the light therapy, we offer, as far as laser therapy, we offer the laser, which does take off layers of the skin, and depending on the amount of downtime you require, it can be everything from the most superficial layers to a whole total facial rejuvenation.
So who is a good candidate for this?
So as far as laser and light therapy, one, I think the most important is making sure that you've got good skin care and skin protection. Two, I want to make sure you haven't been in the sun. I like to give my patients at least 2 or 3 week window between sandwiched or on either side of when you're going to get the treatment. And really, as far as the treatment, it depends on your skin type. Now, the darker your skin type, there are some limitations on what can be done with the laser, but overall, this is something that's for anybody looking to rejuvenate their face and get a more natural looking result.
I kind of think of those people outside walking around in the sun. I know you guys have several locations, so
Yes.
Where are those locations?
So the locations where we have this is in South Carolina at our Fort Mill location, and then also at Uptown, and that's the location where I am. And from now till October 31st, we're offering free consultations, and so anyone's welcome to come in and hear more about this. I can answer all your questions, and hopefully we can get you signed up.
And quickly, what's the website?
The website is www.centa.com.
Thank you very, very much, sir.
All right.